Hey YouTubers, Christopher Wanamaker here doing a new cooking recipe creation of mine. It's an invention of mine that I created. We're going to go over how to make my version of a Hawaiian fruit smoothie. So let's get into it, shall we? Alright. Mainly, how you make a normal smoothie. It's pretty much all the exact same way, except you add one additional ingredient, which makes it not only more like a dessert rather than just a specific fruit smoothie, but it also, and that extra ingredient is from Hawaii. So that's why I call it Hawaiian fruit smoothie. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing we're going to do is add our ice. Added our ice first. Add a little bit of milk. Not a crap ton, just a little bit. Add a small amount of sugar. That should be good. You can always add more, You can never take away the sugar. You can always add more though. Then I add some kind of yogurt. Normally it's one of those little small things of like plate yogurt, that size for creating this one batch of fruit smoothies is enough. And normally what I do is, because I have different types of fruits, I try to choose a yogurt flavor that is completely different but would pair with all the other fruits that I have. So this is orange cream, and it's probably one of the #1 yogurts that I use, because I'm not like throwing a very liquidy orange in here. So I'm going to be using bananas and strawberries, and I got blueberries and blackberries. So orange flavor mixed in with it, and orange cream is one of the best in my opinion, but you can choose other flavors. So add a little bit, about what a little container of Yoplait yogurt, the little small individual serving ones, add about that amount worth. It's probably about 2 whole tablespoons worth. So that should be good. Okay. Add 1 whole banana. I usually break them in half. Fits better in there. Add a small handful of strawberries. Don't worry, I've already cut off the stems off these ones I'm choosing. So I did a little prep work. Then add some blueberries. Now, one of my recommendations is you can do just the, banana, strawberry, blueberry, call it good. But one thing, if you don't like to have little, seeds in it, so I like to add blackberries, gives it a little extra something. The only problem is they have the little seeds in the blackberries. So, a small handful of blackberries in there. Of course, you can choose whatever fruit you want and get a little creative. And then one of the last things is chocolate covered macadamia nuts. So you throw that, and you don't need many, anywhere from like 4 to 6 of them, and then you blend it all up. So this will take a minute. Excuse the sound. And if it's a little too thick, then you can always add a little bit more milk to make it where it's not so thick and it's a little bit more runny. So forgive the noise for a moment. Shake it around a little bit, make sure everything's looks good. Doesn't look too thick. And then go ahead and pour. So not only does this make it a really good fruit smoothie for, the warm weather days of spring and summer, we're in our, last, I think, weekend of summer 2023, right before, fall officially takes effect here very, very soon. And this is a great way to finish it up, give you a little extra energy boost. And then great tasting fruit smoothies. One's a little too much in the other, so I add just a little bit of that, and then we are good to go. So one for me, one for my mom. So that is my recipe for a Hawaiian fruit smoothie. You can add other things. It doesn't have to be chocolate covered macadamia nuts, but because they're chocolate covered macadamia nuts, which comes from Hawaii, that's what makes it a Hawaiian fruit smoothie. You can add chocolate covered almonds. You can add just walnuts and almonds, just the nuts themselves. You could add chocolate covered cherries, Ghirardelli chocolate squares, a variety of different ideas of, what can you, add to it. You don't have to add sugar because fruits have natural sugars in it. I just added a little extra, gives it a little extra something, and then who knows, if you even know of a good pairing of what would taste good with like a fruit smoothie, to add, whether it be vodka or something, you can make it an alcoholic adult beverage as well. So this is a good way to, fill yourself up, give yourself a little extra energy, cool yourself off on nice hot spring or summer days. And I hope you enjoy this recipe and try it out, and let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, that works. Great. Okay. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe. And once I eventually figure out what YouTube did to shut off all my comments on all my videos, and I figure out how to reactivate it, then you can make comments too. Otherwise, there are links on my YouTube channel profile for a connection link to my Facebook page, and you can also send me any kind of message you want to my Facebook page saying, I saw this video, I really like the content, and this is what I liked about it or didn't like. Here's some suggestion ideas. So you can send me any kind of comments you want, all right? And then check out the rest of my videos. This will make, I believe, 33 videos out of about 18 different category subjects. So hit like, hit subscribe, hit me up, send me a message if you want to, and I hope you like this video. All right, you guys have a good day, a great finishing up summer, and enjoy your fall and holiday season. All right, take care. Bye.